Now we have to check our two possible solutions. What we're checking for is something called an extraneous solution. Extraneous means that you have more than one possible solution, but they might not all actually be solutions in the equation. So you might take a solution that you get and plug it back in and it doesn't work. It doesn't mean you made a mistake, it just means it's extraneous. It's not a solution to the original equation. Let's start by checking our first possible solution, x equals 1. I'm going to set up my skeleton to my equation, and wherever there was an x, I'm going to replace it with 1. Under the square root sign, I get 3 minus 2, which gives me the square root of 1, plus 2, and I'm checking if that equals 6. Well, the square root of 1 is 1, and 1 plus 2 equals 3, which clearly does not equal 6. That means our first possible solution, x equals 1, is extraneous. It is not a solution to the original equation. It's very important that when you're checking solutions to radical equations, you're checking in the original equation. Let's check x equals 6. I'm going to set up my skeleton again, and everywhere I saw the x, I'm going to replace it with 6. Under the square root sign, I will get 18 minus 2, which is the square root of 16, plus 2 equals 6. The square root of 16 is 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Yay! We found one of our only solutions. We found our only solution. So what that means is the only solution to this radical equation is x equals 6.